Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra running UI 8.5, and let me share with you how to use partial screen recording. So a partial screen recording is a great option, especially in the situation if you don't want to show a specific area of your screen. So for example, if you don't want to show, I don't know, the navigation bar or your status or the notifications that could appear somewhere here, you can, for example, choose a specific part of the screen and record only this one. So all you need to do is to unroll the upper panel with the control center and then unroll this section to open more options, because as you can see, the screen recorder is right here. If you cannot find it, no worries, just tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon, in order to edit the control center. Tap on edit and sorry, not here. Tap on add control, and here you need to find the screen recorder. As you can see, it will be in this capture section. So all you need to do is to tap on it and it will appear somewhere here, probably here, but that's okay. If you want to move it right there, just tap on it and hold it and then drag it to this section to add it there. So it's up to you, but obviously you can leave it right here. Tap on done to confirm. Alright, so now let's simply tap on screen recorder. As you can see, your device will immediately ask you whether you want to record the full screen or the partial screen. Usually it will be set on the full screen, so just mark partial screen. And now you can decide what you want to record. I mean the audio, so none, media, or media and microphone. It's obviously up to you. And you can also decide whether you want to show the taps and touches on the screen recording. And this option, I mean this setting, will appear always. So whenever you will tap on screen recorder, your device will ask you whether you want to use the full screen or the partial screen option. So if you're ready, just tap on start recording. And as you can see, because I've chosen the partial screen, right now we've got this frame which we can customize. So let's pretend I'd like to exclude this area. So all we need to do is to just use those white, let's say, frames in order to manipulate with this highlighted area. So the highlighted area will be recorded. Maybe I would like to do something like that. Yeah, I would like to record this part of the screen. And if you're ready, just tap on record. And your device will count down. You can tap on skip. And now the device is recording everything that is happening in this area. So whenever I will open, for example, the gaming hub, only this part will be visible. Okay, so this is how it works. Of course, if you want to finish, all right. Of course, if you want to finish the video, just tap on the square icon. If you'd like to pause it, just tap on this pause icon. It's up to you. I will finish. As you can see, we've got the information that the recording was saved. So now we can find our gallery. Let's find it's not in pictures. It should be somewhere here, but I cannot really see that, but that's okay because it is in pictures in today. And as you can see here, we've got only the part that I've marked. So this is how recording the partial screen in this device works. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.